Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your tax return from TurboTax using an easy method. First, log into your TurboTax account. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. This is where all your filed returns are stored. You'll then select the specific tax year you wish to access. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. After selecting the tax year, you'll have the option to either view your complete tax return directly in your browser or download it as a PDF file. If you prefer a physical copy, you can easily print it from there. Make sure to check that all pages of your return are included in the printout for a complete record. This ensures you have everything you need. For digital safekeeping, download your tax return as a PDF. This file contains all the details of your filing. Once downloaded, save it to a secure and easily accessible folder on your computer or device. Many people also find it helpful to back up this important document to a cloud storage service for extra security and peace of mind. It's a smart step. When accessing your tax returns, always prioritize security. Keep your TurboTax login credentials confidential and use a strong, unique password. It's best to access your account from a private, trusted computer rather than a public one. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions about accessing your returns, don't hesitate to reach out to TurboTax customer support for assistance. They are there to help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.